In this video, you will learn about the present continuous tense. Use the present continuous tense to talk about an action or activity happening. As learned earlier, present continuous tense is used to show an action is happening now. For example, am jumping, are talking, and is waving. To form a positive sentence, begin with a noun or pronoun. Use is, am, or are with the verb ending with ing. For example, I am eating breakfast, or the children are talking. To make a negative sentence, begin with the pronoun. Add is, am, or are and not before the verb ending with ing. For example, I am not eating, or the children are not talking. You can add extra information after the verb. For example, I am not eating breakfast, or the children are not talking in class. You can form a question in the present continuous tense to ask for more information about an action or event happening. Begin the question with is or are. Add the pronoun followed by the verb ending with ing. For example, are you eating breakfast? Or are the children talking in class? To form a question, use question words such as who, what, when, why, and where. Begin with the question word. Use is, am, or are. Add the pronoun followed by the verb ending with ing. For example, why are you eating breakfast? Or why are the children talking in class? It is incorrect to say why you are eating breakfast or why the children are talking in class. Present continuous tense is also used to talk about plans that have been decided on with another person. For example, I am meeting Jay at 10. Or he is leaving for Chennai tomorrow. To talk about your future plans, always specify the time at the end of the sentence. For example, they are playing a football match tomorrow. Or she is leaving next month. Now you know about the present continuous tense and how to form positive and negative sentences and questions.